Here's the Nissan DAYZ ROOX, a super tall wagon that is incredibly practical, brilliantly designed with ample space and easy to drive. It is available with front-wheel or four-wheel drive and comes with either a naturally aspirated engine with an innovative battery assist system or a turbocharged unit. Let's take a closer look at this phenomenal Japanese family car. Overview. Visually, it's certainly a cute, boxy little car that strikes a confident and refined look. Shown here is the post-facelift model of the 2017 DAYZ ROOX. It is one of the basic trims, the X, which, unlike the higher trims, does not feature Nissan's signature wide V-motion front grille. The headlights here also aren't as advanced as those in upper trims. The DAYZ ROOX was developed by NMKV, a joint venture between Nissan and Mitsubishi, meaning it was entirely engineered and produced by Mitsubishi, and also sold under the name Mitsubishi EK Space. It falls strictly into the K-Class super height wagon category, fully exploiting the available footprint with its clever design. Among its signature features that will win you over from standard hatchbacks are the remote-controlled automatic rear sliding doors that open with the press of a button, making daily school runs incredibly convenient. At 177.5 centimeters tall, with the wheels positioned at the absolute limits of the chassis, the DAYZ ROOX squeezes every inch out of its highly regulated dimensions. At 339.5 centimeters long and 147.5 centimeters wide, it is an absolute dream for navigating crowded urban environments. To unlock a more spacious passenger compartment, the wheelbase was stretched by 3 centimeters over its predecessor to 243 centimeters. The turning radius is an impressive 4.4 meters for the standard two-wheel drive version and just slightly wider for the four-wheel drive. Its wheels come in sizes ranging from 14 to 15 inches, which are perfectly proportioned for urban durability and are very affordable when it comes to replacing tires. In terms of driving comfort, even the basic model comes with high beam assist, a reversing camera, and an emergency brake to avoid or mitigate the effects of a collision. Ride quality and safety features. Driving the DAYZ ROOX is a remarkably calm experience, especially when used for its intended urban purposes. At regular city speeds up to 60 kilometers per hour, the cabin remains impressively quiet and peaceful. The chassis is tuned to absorb rough pavement effortlessly, and the stretched wheelbase ensures a smooth ride over bumps. The rear suspension setup is simple yet effective, and the four-wheel drive models feature subtle geometric changes for enhanced control and all-weather confidence. In terms of safety, this Nissan definitely exceeds expectations. Don't be fooled by its micro-van size. This cute, tall box on wheels is loaded with driver assistance technology that meets the highest modern standards. In fact, the level of protection and driver awareness it offers is comparable to that found in larger, more premium vehicles, even from renowned European brands. Even without selecting every available option, you get an impressive suite of technologies. DAYZ ROOX incorporates Nissan's highly regarded Around View monitor, which provides a comprehensive bird's-eye view and eliminates blind spots. Furthermore, it uses advanced architectural features, such as a thermal insulating roof to control cabin temperatures, as well as super UV and IR cut glass to protect your skin from harmful infrared rays. There's absolutely no compromise when it comes to peace of mind. But it doesn't stop there. More advanced systems work quietly in the background to keep you safe and comfortable without you even noticing. Interior and luggage capacity. You'll be utterly stunned by the cabin's sheer size and airiness. Thanks to the expansive glass area, outward visibility is panoramic. The internal floor-to-ceiling height measures an impressive 140 centimeters, which is tall enough to comfortably accommodate a standing child or even fit a 27-inch city bicycle. The completely flat floor and power-operated sliding doors that open wide make getting in and out easy, especially for elderly passengers, kids, or when securing child seats. The commanding seating position offers great visibility and is aided by the multi-camera system. The dashboard is simple yet functional, offering ample storage, a handy access shelf, and cup holders. Not to mention the extremely functional central tunnel-less design. In terms of amenities, there is a sleek touch panel automatic climate control unit and a standout industry-first Nano-E-equipped rear ceiling fan that circulates and purifies the air. Without a doubt, rear passengers will enjoy limousine-like legroom and exceptional headroom, far greater than in traditional crossovers and even some conventional minivans. The rear seat backs can be reclined or slid back and forth for added comfort. Boot volume is compact in size, yet highly functional and perfect for everyday groceries. The opening measures 108 centimeters in height and 109 centimeters in width. The maximum width of the cargo compartment is 132 centimeters. In fact, it is the vertical space that truly defines this area. When needed, the rear seats fold down with ease to instantly transform the interior into a massive loading bay for bulky items.
Price at BEFORWARD. Similar Nissan DAYZ ROOX you can buy at BEFORWARD. 2014 to 2020 model starts from around $1,100 US. We update our inventory daily. Be sure to check the latest prices in stock on the BEFORWARD website via the link in the description below.
Engine. Under the hood of this specific variant beats the naturally aspirated 3B20 659 cubic centimeters water-cooled inline 3-cylinder engine. And for urban transport, it performs remarkably well. It reliably generates 49 PS and 59 Newton-meters of torque, but the secret lies in the onboard battery assist system. Taking advantage of Panasonic's 12 volts energy regeneration architecture, the car harvests kinetic energy during deceleration, spinning up a high-output alternator to charge a nickel metal hydride battery. While the combined output isn't aggressively fast, this harvested energy powers the electronics, noticeably easing the engine's workload and significantly improving real-world smoothness, especially in city traffic. Alternatively, there is a second engine version, a turbocharged intercooled powertrain with the same 3-cylinder, 659 cubic centimeters architecture found in the Highway Star turbo grades. The turbo remains at the Japanese K-car legal upper limit of 64 PS and provides a substantial 98 Newton-meters of torque. It feels noticeably more responsive from a standstill, but consumes slightly more fuel during stop-and-go driving than the naturally aspirated version. Both engines come paired with Xtronic CVT transmission, featuring a sub-transmission with a planetary 2-speed gear that enables the CVT to achieve greater torque at low speeds and better fuel efficiency at high speeds. When it comes to fuel efficiency, the real-world results are not that impressive. Expect to get around 17.5 kilometers per liter, roughly 5.7 liters per 100 kilometers in congested city, and up to 22 kilometers per liter, around 4.5 liters per 100 kilometers when cruising on smooth country roads. So, does the Nissan DAYZ ROOX meet expectations? Absolutely. If you're looking for a car to help you rule the urban jungle, there genuinely is no better tool for the job than a boxy K-Class car. Visit BEFORWARD.JP to find high-quality, affordable used cars. We offer a vast selection of pre-owned vehicles to suit every lifestyle and budget. You can also submit your inquiries to top@BEFORWARD.JP.